So I just got back from Thailand. Went over there on leave for about 2-3 weeks. Heard some good stuff about the place. Heard it was a good time, so I wanted to go check it out myself. People warned me before I went over about malaria being prevalent in the area, particularly in the Thailand area, the Plasmodium falciparum. People warned me about taking the chemo prophylaxis, but I didn't listen. And truthfully, I might have got bit by a couple of mosquitoes. I don't know. I mean, there's a lot over there, and the area is pretty underdeveloped as far as vector control goes. So, yeah, I didn't listen to them, and I probably should have. The life cycle that takes place in the human is called shigazin, and it's asexual. After that female injected sporocytes from her salivary glands into my bloodstream, within the 30 minutes, the sporocytes entered my liver cells. Once they're in the liver cells, it's called the exoerythrocytic stage because the red blood cells have not yet been infected, but they're about to be. The parasite then begins reproduction, which is called the shizong. And after about 8 to 15 days, thousands of merozoites are released, and this begins the erythrocytic cycle. The merozoites invade the red blood cells, mature into a trophozoite, and then a shizong. The shizonts sexually reproduce into the merozoites. The red blood cells then burst, releasing the merozoites, which in turn invade more red blood cells. 3 to 15 days after the onset of symptoms, some of the merozoites within the red blood cells differentiate into male and female gametocytes. The female anopheles then ingests the gametocytes during a blood meal. The life cycle inside the mosquito is also known as sporogony. This is sexual reproduction. And as stated, the anopheles ingest both the male and the female gametocytes during the blood meal. The gametocytes fuse, forming a zygote in the stomach of the mosquito. The zygote then becomes motile and penetrates the outer surface of the stomach and develops into an oocyst. The oocyst then bursts, releasing the developing sporocytes into the body cavity of the mosquito. Some of the sporocytes migrate to the salivary glands, which are then injected into humans during the blood meal. And that's how it happens. As of 2010, the World Health Organization estimated that over 216 million clinical episodes took place and over 655,000 deaths. So yeah, you should probably take your chemo prophylaxis.